Hey everyone, I am doing a really fast Etsy channel shout out. I placed an order with Violet Mae Treasures, and it is VioletMaesTreasures.etsy.com. So here is this is her grab bag, and it is a vintage lace grab bag pieces, junk journal embellishments, slow sticks, mixed media, texture fabric, neutral cream, beige, doily trim scrapbooking. And there's no commas in there, so that's why I read it the way I did. So, this is pretty cool. I had never thought about doing this. There's a little tag on here that's been stitched. Gosh, she did her ribbon. That's pretty cool. That is sewn on a machine with different stitches all the way down it. Okay, let's see what's in this little grab bag. And this doesn't tell on the invoice how much. I'm sorry, I can't give you prices. It doesn't tell. But none of it was expensive. So you just have to go to VioletMaesTreasures on Etsy to see. Okay, so we have some vintage lace or coffee dyed lace. Some more. I am working on several vintage journals right now, and I have gotten rid of all of mine basically, so I had to get some more. These are going to be cute in there. All different sizes for pockets and tags and stuff. So like I said, it wasn't expensive, so I'm very pleased with it. Just this amount of it alone, you know, because I know how much this stuff goes for in auctions, and this is magnificent. This is some detailed work here. And please excuse the glue on my hands. I'm working on Rosemary's Rusty Peacocks thing, and I've got glue and paint and everything everywhere. This is pretty cool. I like this. I like this a lot. A lot of great little pieces. If I was going to do some slow stitching, which I might do one or two little pieces to put in the journal. I like that too. Ooh, this is pretty. I really like this one. Some nice little pieces in here. My goodness, and it just seems like the pile is going on forever. So these are going to make some great tags, great pockets. Yes, well, tons of it here. I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with it. I mean, like I said, for the price I paid, I am very happy with it. Wow. I am more than happy with it, because it wasn't expensive. I can tell you, just this and the other doilies I've shown you, I paid what I paid for this entire thing for these in the past. So yes, I'm very happy with it. Oh, look at this. Little tiny hearts. That is so cute. Nice. I love anything vintage anyway. You know, I have a hard time using my vintage stuff. I really do. But I have to get rid of stuff, so I'm going to start using it. What I have left anyway. Because I'm going to be doing tons of vintage journals coming up. Oh, here's a bigger piece of that with the hearts on it. I really like that piece. This is cute. So there's some, you know, great pieces in here for what I want to use it for. It's perfect. So yes, I would strongly suggest, if you can get one, if she still has any, to get one, because it's well worth it. Now next, I think all of this is just together, so I'm going to read it off. I got 10 black and white vintage photos, 20 well-tailed tabs, cabinet card, antique instant family, and 20 well tails. I bought 40 well tails because dummy me sold my welltail punch in a sale because I didn't have the strength to do it with my hands and didn't think I could get Pete to punch them for me. So, yeah, I'm looking for a welltail punch if y'all know anybody's got one reasonable. I don't want to pay $100 for one. I don't know how she got these in here, but that one's Karen, so. What is it on? Let me just tear the bag then. Dog nabbit. Yeah, this one tore. It got hung on there, but I'll fix it. I fix it, as Nicholas says. Nice. This, have any writing on it? All of us. And it says, for Mildred. I can't make out any other writing. It's really bad handwriting. Really bad handwriting. I don't know how she put this in there, but anyway. It's only the one picture. It looks like they got messed up, and I can fix that. Oh, look at this. Look at the baby. No writing on that one. Cute little kid. Myra, about 3 years old, at Arnold's old house. I'm going to be doing some more creepy baby journals too, so I'm real happy I got these. No writing. Aww. She looks like my sister. It's pretty cool. Boy, if that's not a creepy kid, I'm sorry. Eddie and Margaret Mathis and daughter. But look at the angry look on that child's face. Wow. No date. Darn it. That is an angry child. She does not want to be in that picture. Ooh, they all dogged up. It just says Mama. I think this is Tim Holt's card. Sharpstein, Iona, Michigan. Maybe not. It's in really good condition. Mrs. Emmy Lee's Art Gallery, Michigan. These are in excellent condition for the age of them. Photographic, Showman and Reed, Portland. That's not a happy baby. And here's a lady standing by the car. A ring, excuse me, I can't make out, was cost to find. Love you very much. I don't know. But anyway, and these are the welltails. So I got the plain ones, and I got the ones on the travel. I think they're all the same. Supposed to be. Pretty much, yeah. So, I mean, I can't remember what I paid for the total, but like I said, it was not a lot, and I'm not going to use that bag again. It was well worth it to me, so check her out. I will put the link down below in the description. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.